Hello, children. Poem The Clock, 6th Standard English Note. First main, discuss with your classmates and teacher and write down the benefits of having a clock or watch. First one, clock points to the time with its two little hands. Clock teaches us what is right or wrong. Clock teaches us to complete things on time. Clock teaches never leaving work for later. Clock directs us towards time with its two little hands. Second main, make a timetable or a schedule for your daily activities, keeping ample time for studies, hobbies, play, rest, and spending time with your family. 6:30 to 7, brushing teeth, washing face and drinking milk. 7 to 8, wear uniform, wear shoes, wear tie, wear belt. 8 to 9, eat breakfast, keep books properly in bag and ready to go school. Third main, the following sentences tell us what Leela does on weekdays. Match the time in the left column with her activity in the right column. Time and activity. First one is 3:35. 3:35. What can we do? Right? And 8:45. What is the work we do? 7:50. What is the work? Like this we join. 7:50. She wakes up at 10 to 9. 10 to 8. 8:45. She eats her breakfast at a quarter to 9. 3:35 is she has a bath at 10 past 8. 8:10 she has a bath at 10 past 8. First one is she goes home at 25 minutes to 4. At 8:10 she has a bath at 10 past 8. At 9 o'clock she leaves home at 9 o'clock. Like this we join. Supplementary reading unit 4, clever Kiki. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. First question, why didn't Kapak like the macaw? Answer. Kapak didn't like the macaw because he was jealous of the way Kiki followed Maita everywhere. He think it was stupid thing, he thought, determined to catch the macaw. Second question. How did the children find out where Kapak was? Answer. One day when all the children returned from the jungle, Kapak didn't come back with them. Then the children ordered Kiki to search or find out Kapak. Third question. Why does Kiki sit on Kapak's head and say, "Here's a nut"? Answer. Kapak said sorry for his behavior on Kiki. Mehta was pleased, so was Kiki. He flew around, then landed on Kapak's head. "Here's a nut," he screamed. "Here's a nut." Fourth question. Kiki is not only intelligent but also smart. Do you agree? Answer: Yes, I agree. Kiki was not only intelligent but also smart. Lesson number 5: The Three Fish. English Notes, 6th Standard, Part 2. First main, answer the following questions in one or two sentences each. First question: how were the three fish different from one another? Answer: there lived three big fish in a lake. They were close friends but quite unlike one another. One of them was wise. Whatever he did was after careful thought. Another was intelligent and resourceful. Any problem he had, he would use his brains and find a solution. He was always cheerful. The third fish believed in fate. Whatever was to happen would happen, and nobody could stop it. Second question: prevention is better than cure. Which fish acted according to this saying? Prevention is better than cure. This sentence said by wise fish. Third question: do you think solutions can be found to every problem in life? Yes. Fourth question: what is the moral of the story? Answer: the moral of the story was don't believe in fate. We must adopt careful thoughts. We solve our problems by intelligently, and we must resourceful ideas. If any problems comes in our lives, we use our brains and find solutions and always cheerful in life.